Hola chicos, so what we're going to do is look over the worksheet you should have just worked on in class. Alright, and I'm not giving you an answer key and I'm making you listen to this because I want to kind of go through it. I want to know that you understand where we're coming from and all this stuff. So I'm not going to spend a whole heck of a lot of time explaining things. We'll explain stuff obviously, but I'm not going to really go super slow. So here we go, let's do it. We go to the bank by car in chunks. We go would be your nosotros vamos. Nosotros vamos. You were going to the bank. Go is usually followed by a, to. The bank is masculine, so al banco instead of a el banco. By car, en carro. Done. Nosotros vamos al banco en carro. All right, here comes number 2. So here's our friends Ana and Jose, and they're gonna go to the dentist by taxi. Ana y Jose go. So that's the same as they. So the form you're picking is van. To the dentist, al dentista, or if you have a female dentist, a la dentista, don't care. Okay, by taxi, en taxi. And taxi is exactly the same in Spanish and English. I don't know why, but every year I get a whole ton of kiddos who think taxi has an accent mark, like taxi. It's not taxi, it's just taxi, it's fine. Number 3, I am going to the library on foot. We talked about this yesterday when we did our notes. I am going is all one word. I never want to see yo soy voy or anything like that. Yo estoy voy. You translate yo voy, I am going. It's fine. So yo voy to the library. Whoops. A la biblioteca on foot. A pie. Please make sure if you do not have a marker with you that you are grabbing a marker, making corrections as you go. You know, that's important. I like you to use the marker because it helps it stand out a little bit more and I can see where we're strong, where we're weak. All right. You go to the party with Carlos by plane. You go to the party with Carlos by plane. We're just adding in one more Lego in this sentence. So somebody's going to a place with somebody by a certain means of transportation. We're going to assume you is tú and tú vas. To the party. A la fiesta. Who are you going with? With Carlos. Con is your word for with. Carlos. By plane. En avión. Avión has an accent mark on it. En avión. There it is. Here we go. Here's a let's go. So I'm going to do this one in a different color because it's a different kind of sentence, kind of, sort of. Everybody gets thrown by the let's go thing. Okay? Don't be. Let's go to the movie theater by bike. You just drop the nosotros and simply write vamos. Notice there was an exclamation point at the end, so we're going to have one at the beginning. Okay, to the movie theater. Al, to the cine. By bike. En bicicleta. Exclamation point. Let's go to the movie theater by bike. Of course we are. All right. Let's move along here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we'll get to 12 when we get there. All right, cool. So y'all informal are going to the office by bus. You all, the informal version, is going to be your vosotros, that funky informal you that's only really used in Spain. Vosotros are going. Remember, it's all one word. Vais, no accent mark. To the office. A la oficina. Okay, by bus. En autobús. Has an accent mark over the U too. Okay, Pablo is going to the doctor by subway. Is going. Okay, one word. So Pablo. Pablo is the same as he, and he uses va. To the doctor. Al médico. You can have a female doctor. I just went with the masculine. Okay. By Subway, and it's not Subway the food place. Who said that to me in class the other day? I thought you meant Subway the food place. No. Oh, that was Felipe. 7th period Felipe. That was you. Subway the metro, not Subway the place where you get a sandwich. By Subway and metro. Silly boy. All right. Number 8. Pedro and I are going to school on horseback. That sounds fun. Well, look, we have 3 exclamation points at the end. Let's put 3 at the beginning, too. Boop, boop, boop. Pedro and I. Pedro y yo are going, all one word, Vamos. Okay, to school could be a la escuela. Or maybe you used al colegio. I'd accept that too. On horseback. Remember, horseback is a living, breathing mode of transportation. So like a pie, this one uses a instead of en. It would be a caballo. 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 Boop, boop, boop. 3 exclamation points at the end. I love it. All right. Oh, here's your favorite part. Let's do some questions. So let's break these guys up. And I'm going to color code this to make it a little bit easier to see. How am I doing time? Oh, phenomenal. Okay. So we've got our interrogatives. Where are you going? Now here's the problem. You, or I should say, are going is my verb. You are my subject. And when you're making a statement, we say that you are going. In English, when we ask a question, we say, where are you going? We put you in the middle of are going. Well, in Spanish, are going is only one word. So what you are going to do is do what we've been doing with questions. Put the verb first. So where? Now, here's the thing. Remember, where are you going is grammatically passive-aggressive. It doesn't flat out tell you what it's thinking, but what it's really thinking in the back of the mind is where are you going, a.k.a. to where are you going? Not just donde, it is a donde. A donde. Now, you do the verb next. Vas. Then you can do your subject. To. Oh, there goes my marker. Hello. And then everything else in the sentence. Oh, let's get a fun color marker for that. Do I have a different color marker I could use? I don't, do I? Ooh, purple! Got it. Okay. Mañana. Mañana can mean morning. It can mean tomorrow. So, ¿a dónde vas tú mañana? There we go. All right, cool. So let's look at the next one. Where, okay, are going is your verb. And then they is your subject. And then everything else. So let's deal with that first. Where are they going? Remember, the idea is where are they going to? ¿A dónde? You're going to put your verb first. Are going. Van. ¿A dónde van? ¿A dónde van who? Ellos. On Friday. Aha. You love the word en because en can mean so many different things. And in this case, we don't use en at all because on a day of the week, we use the definite article. El viernes. Make sure viernes is lowercase because Spanish days of the week and days of the week and months of the year are not proper nouns. All right. So those are where to where questions. Now let's do a when are we going. So there's your question word when. All right. Are going. There's your verb. Where's going who? We. And everything else in the sentence, to the hotel. All right, so let's do our when. Remember the question word for when? Cuando. Say the word. Cuando. X marks on the A. Cuando. Then your verb. The verb goes with we, so it's going to be vamos. Cuando vamos who? Cuando vamos nosotros. And then to the hotel. Al hotel. Did you catch the al? Because it's to the hotel. El hotel. Yep, al. Last one. Why is she going to the restaurant? I'm going to assume she's hungry, but who knows? Why would be your question word. All right. Here would be your verb, is going. In English, we separate it by throwing the subject in there. There's your she. There's your subject. And then everything else. To the restaurant. So why? Two separate words. Por qué. Okay, why? Is going goes next. Your verb goes next. It's the form of the verb that would go with she. And is going would translate as va. ¿A dónde va who? She. Ella. Where is she going? Al, to the restaurante. Okay, remember, you are in the middle of the restaurant. Va al restaurante. That might help you remember how to spell it. Plus, it's right there in English. Just put an E in the end. It's the same thing. All right, chicos, I hope that was helpful. I hope this is all making sense to you. Test is on Friday. Now what I would do if I were you, I would get on some Quizlet and practice that vocabulary. Do a learn mode, do gravity, but you got to know the vocab on your own. Keep it real, friends, and I will see you mañana.